Hey guys, Figurecraft here. Sorry about that, we're back. But basically, what I did was I went ahead and put all of the railings onto the ship. I'm just going to talk you through it now. So, let me get the book. And get to the page. Okay. So, step 9, remove parts 53-0 and 52-2 from the frame and bend them using shapes D and C on the templates. Fit them around the third funnel as shown below. So taking this, turning this around, basically that would be right in here. That would be this one right here and this railing right here. Let me find my tweezers. This railing right here. That would be step 9. After step 9, you would go to step 10, which is remove parts 53-3, 53-4, and 53-5 from the frame and bend them using shapes D and C on the templates. Fit them around the third funnel as shown above. So, turning this around, oh, this thing is super heavy. Which is basically right there, but first, that was 53-0 and 53-4 and 53-5. So locating those on the middle template that we were given. 53-4. Okay, 53-4 right there. (53-4) would be the one that was right there. Basically, if you come over to the book and you look at it, 53-4, and our next one that we would need is 53-5, 53-3, 53-2, 53-5. There it is right there. But that's how you would tell where they are. And those would go right here is 53-4. 53-5 is right here. And back here on the back side of the funnel, you can see that railing right there. That is 53-3. Right here, 53-3. And that one was a pain to get in, let me tell you, because it's just balancing it. After that, we would move to step 11, remove parts 51-01, 51-02, 51-03, and 51-04 from the frame and bend them using shapes D as shown. Fix in place on the deck house and deck house roof as shown below. So this is another one that was a challenge, because right here in front you can see right there. Let me see if I can turn it around to get you a better view of it. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Right here is another railing that I had to put in. You can see it right there. That's another railing that I had to put in and balance it. That one was a challenge. That's 53-2. 53-1. Get these focused here. 53-1 is the railing that's on this side over here. 51, or no, that's 51. 51-1. 51-2 is the one that was in front. 51-4 is this railing right here. And then 51-3 would be the railing that goes up here, but this is the replacement railing that I got from that company, so I didn't use that railing. And then after that, I'm going to set the ship here, and we're going to turn the page. After that, you would then move to step 12, which is step 12, remove parts 58-1 times 2, 58-2 times 2, and 58-3 from the frame. Bend them using shape C on the templates. Glue the parts in place around the aft funnel as shown. Take 8 rails 44-49 and fit them to the 4 sets of steps up to the deck. Okay, so basically, grabbing our ship, setting it here, get it here to where I can see this book. Tilt you down here. Zoom you out a bit. About there. Alright. So basically, the first one we're looking at is 58-2, which there's 2 of them. That would be that little railing right there, and it's also on the other side close to the deck house. And it just basically just sits there and floats. That one was a pain to get on. Then you would do 58-1, which would be this one right here. And then you do another 58-1, which is right here, that corresponds to it. And then on the other side, you do the same thing. You would do that 4 times. And then 58-3 is this long railing that goes right here in between. And then after that, you would then put in 44-49, which would be all of these little rails that goes on the steps front and back. You can see there. After you have done that, then we would move to step 13, which step 13, remove parts 56-1, 56-2, and 2 more 58-1 from the frame. Bend them using shape C on the templates and fix in place around the aft funnel as shown above. So basically this would be 56-1, So 56-1 would be this railing right over here on the other side of the funnel. That railing right there, and then 56-2 is the railing that's on this side. Those would be your two next ones. And then, like it said, it did tell you to take two more of these, like this right here, 58-1 right here, on those. And then after that, we would then move to step 14. Which step 14, remove parts 60-1, or -01, 60-02, and 49-01 times 2 from the frame. Bend them using shapes C and D on the templates and fix in place at the aft end of the boat deck. So 60-1 would be this one right here, which was a pain to get on. It would be this railing that goes around this whole house. And that one was a pain in the butt to get on. Then after that one, you would then 60-2, which is the same railing that goes here. It's just a little railing here all by itself that just stands straight up and down, just glues there in the middle of these two vents. After that, then you would do 49-1 2 times, and that would be the railing that's going from here to there on that side, and then it comes from here to there on that side, and then they meet in the middle. And on mine, I painted brown on top for the brown banister that's supposed to be on top of that railing. But you can see there, we got those railings on. And after that, we will turn the page to the last page, which will be something that we've already done, which is basically bending railings for the cranes. But we have already done that. But that's as far as we've gotten right now, and unfortunately, I have almost ran out of glue, so now I've got to wait until I get some more glue before I can do anything else, but I think that's a pretty good stopping point. We've gotten pretty far now. We almost have all the railings on the Titanic superstructure. We just don't have the railings here yet, and we don't have the railings right in here yet. That's the only railings that's missing on this superstructure, which I'll get those on when I get some more glue. But for right now, this is a pretty good stopping point. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all are doing safe during these troublesome times. And you all have a blessed one, and when I get some more glue, we'll be back to do some more build. But until then, goodbye.